Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here today with a freaking IPSY video that is like way fucking behind, and my bad. Happy not February. It is what it is. But anyway, so today's video is the February IPSY Glam Bag Plus unboxing or unbagging or whatever the fuck. Yeah, I'm gonna talk about the products and that's basically it. Yeah, if this is something that you are interested in, then be sure to keep on watching. Basically, if you don't know what IPSY is, like, get on the fucking information train. It is a monthly subscription service. So you have a few different options. The Glam Bag Plus, which is what this video is 25 bucks a month and you get 5 full-size beauty products sent to you. I was able to pick 3 of my 5 choices, and then of course when you do that you have the option of add-ons. If you are just looking to try IPSY and you're not really sure if you want all the full-size products and shit, so for 12 bucks a month you get 5 deluxe samples sent to you. Totally fucking worth it. You still have access to add-ons and all that fun stuff. This month's bag is so cute, or should I say last month's, the February bag, all red in the CHEESIES. I will say, my only complaint about this bag in particular is the really cheap, stupid, like, string. Like, cause this already came untied and I had to, like, fucking whatever. Anyway. So the little, description for the monthly bag. February's glam bags are sealed literally with a kiss. I fucking hope not, because I don't want to get the goddamn Rona. Anyway, I'm just kidding. Consider this month's design a love letter to you, and let yourself indulge in what's inside. Oh, probably what's inside the bag, not what's inside yourself. I was just like, oh, it's squishy. Yeah. Okay. So the first product that we are going to talk about, I'm really fucking excited, but the Farah like Rendezvous Brush Trio, valued at $40 fucking dollars, full size, pro quality brush trio. Makes your entire makeup routine easy. Use the 600F to dust on your blush. I don't know. This guy here. 620 to press on your highlighter. This one here. I don't know. 635 to buff and blend your eyeshadows. Yeah, super awesome. I've used brushes from this brand before and they're fucking amazing. So just, yeah, I already know what's up there. I don't even need to know, you know what I mean? Okay, let's go to an expensive product. Holy Jesus. This is the Goldfaden MD Vital Boost Even Skin Tone Daily Moisturizer. Could you come up with a fucking longer title? Anyway, valued at 75 fucking doll hairs for 2 ounces of this shit. Wow. Okay, I don't know what's wrong with me, just roll with it. Multitasker, gooseberry extract, vitamin D, red tea extract, grapefruit oil to brighten dark spots and dark marks and spots, refine your skin texture, defend from free radical damage, and give your skin a soft, dewy glow, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so next up is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation in 120W, valued at $38, 1 ounce, full coverage effect, lightweight, second skin feel, blah blah blah, no cakiness, blotchiness. I did use this today and it's very liquidy. It reminds me of Urban Decay Naked Skin. It's not a perfect shade match, but I'm kind of rolling with it. It is buildable, so that's really nice. So fucking excited for this. This is the First Aid Beauty Pure Skin Gentle Foaming Face Cleanser with amino acids, retailing at $22. Facial cleanser removes dirt, buildup, and excess oil without stripping your skin. Gentle foaming cleanser, pH balanced formula, uses amino acids, some kind of oatmeal, colloidal, and aloe to purify your pores and whatever and shit. So we're fucking high tech in this bitch right now. Really excited to use this. Since using the Kylie Skin foaming cleanser, I'm like kind of about that foam, you know, like it's nice. So definitely excited for that. I think I'm missing brushes. I'm missing 2 brushes. I was supposed to have 2 more Farah brushes. Oh my god, and I just now noticed. I feel like an idiot because I've had this bag for like a few fucking weeks. IPSY's customer service is really freaking dope, so I should say something and be like, hey, like, I'm just letting you know I didn't get this. Like, I'm, you know, not expecting any kind of assistance because I waited too long to fucking do it. Story of my life lately. Jesus fucking tits. Anyway, so the last thing that it was in the bag, this is an add-on. It is the Cosette Salt Scalp Scrub, 30 milliliters. It does not, like I said about add-ons before, sometimes it tells you the retail value, other times it does not. It helps detoxify for your pores, Jesus fucking Christ and shit. remove buildup, relieve dryness and dandruff thanks to bamboo charcoal, Jesus goddamn fucking shit, mineral rich gray sea salt and soothing tea tree oil. I got this for Tim. He's got some serious scalp problems sometimes, so I saw this and was like, he might be able to benefit from that. So now that I've done my little ditty, he can use it, and stay tuned for when that's in the empties video, because I will have a full review from him on that. And then I redeemed some points, and this pure Brazilian leave-in conditioner's on there. I've had this has shown up on my channel a couple of times. This is not new. I'm just really excited to use it. The full retail of this box is, future me does math. And yeah, I only spent like $25 for the 5 full-size products and one's missing. If you're interested in trying IPSY, check the description box down below and my referral link is there. I get points. That's about it. It's just points. That's all it is. I fucking love IPSY. Even if they forget a product, I'm not even salty about it. So we have reached the end of this video. Sorry that it's so late coming to y'all, but it is what it is. I'm trying to find a balance still. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and until the next one, bitches.